Hi, it's PTE Pro, and here you get a lot of information about how to score 80 plus in overall your test examination. Sure, for the PTE tests read aloud section, focus on 1. Pacing. Maintain a steady pace while reading. Don't rush and ensure clear pronunciation. 2. Fluency. Aim for a smooth and natural flow. Practice reading passages aloud to enhance your fluency. 3. Pronunciation. Pronounce words accurately. Focus on common words that may have tricky pronunciations. 4. Intonation. Use appropriate intonation to reflect the meaning of the sentences. Rise and fall in pitch as needed. 5. Stress on keywords. Emphasize keywords in a sentence to convey the intended meaning effectively. 6. Pausing. Insert natural pauses at punctuation marks. This helps in maintaining clarity and coherence. 7. Practice with variety. Practice reading various types of text to adapt to different styles and topics. 8. Manage nervousness. Work on controlling nervousness to ensure confident delivery during the actual test. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering these techniques. For example, our major conclusion is that the current measure needs to be revised, so it no longer provides an accurate picture of the differences in the extent of economic poverty among population groups or geographic areas of the country, nor an accurate picture of trends over time.